right, guys, it's actually the next morning here. We were working late last night, as you guys saw. We got Mike's head completely off of his motor. We found out that it was, in fact, the head gasket. That truck's actually going to be, I think we're doing a lot of stuff here we shouldn't be, and it's about to get naughty here. We made a bunch of decisions for these 3 trucks before Daytona. I don't know how rowdy we're gonna get, but his truck might be getting some goodies under the hood. If we can make it happen, this truck may get some goodies under the hood too. However, wow, I need to like clay bar this again, which that sucks, but you guys will see we ordered something for this truck last night. Very custom and very interesting. It's a look that I don't know how I feel about, but looking at it from this direction, I think it's gonna look good and different, and you'll understand why I'm choosing that setup when it comes, because of what we're gonna do under the hood. Honestly, I was gonna sit there and I don't even know what with this truck. I wasn't going to keep it, but now that I have it, I might as well toot it up a little bit. Not in a physical way, but I think we're gonna go under the hood in this truck too. Quite a few ponies, just like Mike's truck, and then I think the blue single cab's getting some stuff done under the hood as well. So yeah, these trucks, wow, yeah, this is one I didn't really want to touch that much, but now that I've touched everything else, I think I have to, and I think it'll be a lot more fun. And then I'll probably blow up a transmission, and then we'll have to fix that. So what we're gonna do right now is actually take these tires off of this so I can rebalance them here. If you guys don't know what's going on, like you saw in the video here, as you can see, we are out of space here, and our buddy has his shop, and he'll have some space when we don't, and we'll have some space when he doesn't. So we're gonna kind of use the best of both worlds here, because we got a lot of projects going on. And on top of that, like, I can't have this truck sitting here down, because what we're gonna actually do is we're gonna rip this thing apart again before Daytona. Whole audio system is actually gonna be going in here, amp the door speakers. We may change out those subs and get this thing literally thumping the hard as I wanted to the first time. So I think we're redoing all the audio. Like I said, I don't know if the goodies under the hood will come before or after Daytona, but they are happening. And like I said, we made an order last night for this, that from this angle, you'll be able to see something quite interesting that plays off the brushed wheels on this truck. So it's been crazy, guys, but like I said, we're gonna take these off. I'm gonna rebalance them and just go from there, get this thing riding right, or figure out what wheel and tire needs some help and adjustment with, or I gotta see what wheel and tire is out around, and then we can get those swapped if we can before Daytona and warrantied out. But we made a lot of decisions. It's been crazy, and we're going to the moon, guys. You guys don't even know. Well, honestly, we're going to the moon with these trucks. Quick update, really quick as well. I ordered another build. Should be here in about 8 weeks. You guys have been wanting me to do one of these forever. And yeah, you already know I put my crazy touch on it, and I can guarantee you, no one's got this. Nobody has this vehicle. I guarantee it, because I'm going to have the first one, I think, ever. So get excited for that as well.
Oh, you wiped that.
What?
Smack it good.
You know, I'm just trying to see how the
roll it down the road, see if it's wearing funny. It'll tell you if it wobbles.
Oh, I know it wobbles.
Was it that one that was the issue?
Well, I'm also running over rock here, so I don't know what the issue is. I don't know how to do this. I mean, I'll tell you right now. Oh yeah, no, they don't do that. They don't do that. Can you spin that on for me? .5 diameter of the wheel, 24 width. It's about 14 and a half. Dope.
That would be where your vibration is.
Yeah, the wheel seems pretty straight.
It's the tire. And it's the same thing.
hate cheap tires and shit. It's like they're hit or miss. Like my green truck, perfect. These, my truck.
That's a big number.
2, 4. Just in case I really need to do this alone. I got it right. It's 4 for 4. I don't like what we got going. Whoa. We're already going. That's a lot better. Like that's 70 right there. I mean, we'll rock with it. It's like I said, it's not the best, but it's better. So, all right. It's actually hot and sweaty, so this is actually pretty good. This paint should dry pretty quick. I need a second gen manifold.
It's with everything
6K
needed.
6K for 3, that's $2 grand a piece.
Yeah, so your triple turbo is a steel. That's what it is.
See how this hangs? But textured on my nah, hell no. Never. Do we have tape? Oh,
That didn't work. We are like way out of gas. 1%.
Literally less than 1%, low range on. I mean, I thought we were gonna die on the way here. But look what we found. And I don't think we could pass this opportunity up. Honestly, I don't think we can. I've always wanted to do this, but this is gonna be one expensive fill up. Sorry.
You got excited.
I did get excited. One more time. No kidding.
No, hey, you have to pick one. Don't do it again.
Chip card was removed too early. I didn't even put it, I did it like.
Look, which one? Okay,
Wow.
now insert the card. You can only do it when it says insert.
This is stupid. I can't believe I'm doing this, but racing gasoline.
Let it rip. Watch this number fly.
It cuts off, so no, this thing takes like 12 gallons.
Well, you're gonna get like 9.5.
I know, but it cuts off at probably $75 as a cutoff, so I'm gonna have to do 2 rounds.
Or you could just leave the 9.5 gallons and call it good. Or you want to do it again? I don't care.
Why would I want a full tank of racing fuel though?
How full are you?
I'm empty. That is the most this ever cost. I am empty. 9 gallons. This thing's like 15. Man, why are these pumps cutting off like that? That's not fun.
See, now insert.
Yeah, we got 2 times going over this.
Card gets declined.
This is like usually a diesel truck thing, and I'm doing it with a car.
Yeah.
Someday you might.
Huh?
Someday you might.
Powered by Live Nation.
It's like $140. What is that?
to go on this mission with him. Because all this came
70
out
and
of his
70 is
brain.
140.
I was just blessed.
So minus 10, 130.
Shut it off. Ooh, curve.
You feel the difference?
Honestly, I'll let you know in a second.
I don't like when you talk.
I know, I don't like when I talk either.
Yes, you just do the damn thing.
All right, guys. So here are the wheels off that blue single cab. When he bought them, they came chipped and stuff. He threw them on for Nashville, but he also curbed one in Nashville. So they're getting repowdered no matter what. But we got to dismount these, and then we can ship these to the powder coater because our oven probably won't be built in time. But most of the stuff should be here by the end of this week for that oven. So that'll be going up soon. But in the meantime, they're going to get powdered elsewhere, but we just got to get them dismounted, which, whatever. Also, while I'm at it, guys, hold on, give me. Also, while I'm at it, don't forget, Eco Diesel giveaway is still live. So go over to the site. Any $1 you spend is an automatic entry to win. I believe 10 times entries or 20 times entries. I don't know.
Like that shirt?
Yeah.
That
Any dollar you spend gets you entered to win. So don't miss out. Literally, our last winner, Brett, had no clue. And he didn't think he was going to win. He was just trying to support, and he took home my Tahoe. So Eco Diesel jet ski and a ZS watch. Swipe up. Not really on this video, but go to the link in the description and get entered today. Dude. Underneath the dash, there's a knob. The knob is hanging. Turn it the other direction. All right, so we're buddy Zach. Yeah, numbnuts can't stay off of Facebook Marketplace, and he found these last night. These 4G Autos, 26 by 14, and yes, as you can see, the infamous all over the internet. Well, this bead's already broken off, but we're gonna dismount these. However, I'll show you another one. We also got new tires for the Banana Ram. And yeah, these right here. Let's see if I can find the sticker. 33 1450 on a 26. So yeah, these are 33s on 6s. Now obviously my other truck isn't here right now, but that's a 33 on a 22. This is a 33 on a 24. And here you go with a 33 on a 26. Well, problem is this is not the right color scheme. The guy before us curved them a couple times, and we got to dismount these, so this should be fun. This is straight rubber bands, but we got to dismount these. These are getting repowder coated, billet caps, I guess. Huh? But yeah, these are gonna get repowder coated before Daytona, I guess. Even though we just dismounted the copper wheels, I think in this video too, yeah, we gotta dismount the Forgiatos because those are getting powdered copper as well. So yeah, it's a lot happening at once. But let's get these in and try and get these off because my goodness, this should be fun. Don't forget, guys, the Eco Diesel giveaway is still live. 20 times entries are live. Get entered. Bumper does need a bit of cleaning now. Eco Diesel giveaway is still going live. Don't worry about that. That is the air conditioning. But 20 times entries are live for you guys to take this home, the jet ski, and the $7,500 Zenith watch. Get entered. Don't miss out. Honestly, this truck is incredible. I've been driving it a lot recently, and it's actually gonna be sad to let it go. So get entered, guys. Get entered. 14 lines. Can be done.
Like we get one set of tires, we get another set of tires. When it rains, it pours.
Good luck is right. What a fucking dick. I might need a hammer. Behind the speed like that. I'm gonna definitely break this dang spoon I have. I'll do this at home first. There's no fucking way. None whatsoever. Dude. Like, there's... Oh my god! Can you please, for the love of God, plug in the fucking mixer?
The mixer?
This thing, god damn it.
The what?
This. Bitch. I'm dripping sweat. Okay. Watch your face. It's my other issue. No, that didn't help at all. All right.
So you're almost there.
Oh my god!
Oh.
It's gonna come! Turn the rotisserie off!
Rotisserie, what?
God damn it, the tire machine! There's no way. Did you get it out?
Yeah, the pool was out.
Oh my god.
We dug it out. We had to set the blocks.
Yeah, pull that out. It's like it needs to sit on this so it can...
See, look, I have a really bad feeling of doing that. Don't be recording this. This is not good content.
It's almost there. Is it? Wait, keep doing that, Zach. Do that. Yep.
God damn it.
Wish we had another one of those.
Yeah, I wonder who's...
Alright, hold on, we're good. We're good. Hold on. You don't have an emergency brake on this thing, dude?
I wish.
Come on.
Right where it's rubbing.
Right, oh, yeah.
Yeah, just about right. Oh! We got it!
We did the bigger one.
Give me that one. Hold that right there. You got that?
Oh, I got it.
Nope. You got the other way.
Pull out, it hurts.
Literally, it's...
Bro, this is like tighter than a newborn. Come on, Wilby, help me push it in.
Get it in there. Dude, we gotta do 4 of these.
That's fine.
That's a whole lot of work.
Yeah.
Let's go. Get it, Zach. I'm spooning it.
There it is.
Who's grabbing what?
I grabbed the wheel.
Go down the tires. Set it down.
Oh my god.
Why is this a real thing?
See, it's a little hard. You got a rubber mallet?
I got a hammer.
I need a rubber mallet.
Hold on.
It's probably on the table.
Beating your tip, dude?
I was beating my tip with it. Yeah, it's probably on the table or...
It's probably on the ground, to be honest with you.
Where is it at? It's not really a rubber mallet, it's a dead blow.
We don't need you.
The real man got it off.
Oh. All right, one down. Next. It's hot as balls in here.
Yeah, man.
Real.
Real quick.
There's nothing real quick about this.
Who's that? Oh, Jade. I thought you said Jake. Jake, safe on?
All the sex noises in the world.
In the holes. What are you guys missing here?
What the hell you mean in the hole?
Close the machine.
I will close.
The machine.
I don't even remember what we did at this point.
We just tried. No, not like that step, bro.
We didn't even use this last time.
Push down right. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Yeah? How are you struggling? Is it your first time? Second. Come on. Come on, harder, right there. Pry it. Oh, you slipped out. It's fine. It's not gonna happen. See?
See? I'll back down.
There it is.
Pry it out real heavy, Wolf. Real heavy. Real heavy.
Wait, hold on, Wolfie, go up really quick.
No,
Let us get in.
Let us get
Tag us in.
Look at the rim.
It's fine. Don't worry. It'll buff.
The powder will
I know a guy.
Smacks it with a hammer, but sets it on the paint booth and not scratch it.
Yeah.
You're controlling the forward and back. I can only go this way. Oh, God.
There you go. Work it, baby.
She's off. One fucking shoot.
Yeah.
One small step for. How does that go? Give her help.
I think the backs are painted, I'm not gonna
I
lie.
think the whole thing's painted.
Wait, do you want this or no? They're definitely
I need
painted.
that on the other pit, so keep that here for.
Who the f***
Well, I'm not gonna be able to do it with
left
just
the shit with
we need
drippy
to put one
clear.
on.
Hey, did you finish that roof?
Go up with it. No, it doesn't look like we finished the roof.
That bar's gonna slip out and gonna cause some severe damage.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a what?
Smile, you're on camera.
Thanks, baby.
Dude, you can put these on some sweet wheelchairs.
Hey, we should make a wheelchair, the only one on 4G Autos.
Deluxe detailing.
Do we plug Rhino or what?
Hashtag work for it.
You want to be on the first gen, so they're not. Dude, where am I supposed to put this one? It's so heavy.
Giveaway truck. This one could be yours, guys. Remember, enter in before it ends on the 29th. One of you could be a lucky winner of this fine unit.
Just buy the lip balm.
Hold on. We're fit them all.
Oh yeah, you're gonna fit the Venoms also, huh?
There we are.
Every dollar you spend could become an entry on this fine unit. Remember some fatties.
The tailgate won't close.
I told you they weren't gonna fit.
They're gonna fit. Yeah.
That's
Ain't going nowhere.
Would you like to explain to the people?
Not yet. Soon come.
I hate how these things pop, dude, honestly. You know, it'd be good content destroying a sensor right now.
Let's not do that. Alright then.
Why did you let it slip out?
Hit the pedal.
It's the directional one, right? With the 4 arrows?
Yes.
That's right on the tire. Okay, there.
Is it?
We're good now.
Dude, what did you, like, and we didn't bring my tire bars. That's kind of what I use these for.
Where's that bar at?
Oh my god, well, rotate it then. There, Charlie. All right, pull the wheel out.
It is out.
In, because we need to get it in.
Go in a little bit.
Hold on. Hold
I'm
on.
hooked. Mike, don't, let me use this one. This one will work better.
Dude, this is like real life Three Stooges.
Move out of the way. Move this. I don't want to let it fling.
Is that way I can get it? Oh, wow, that came out actually. Okay, yeah.
This is like horrible content.
Where's the sensor at? Do you know where it's
This
at?
is the best content.
Well, I don't want to rebrush them, so I'll just polish as much as I can.
Good. Good. Well, hang on. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn, it's too long.
Is this Mike Jones radio?
Yeah, I think so.
Can you lock that?
Like that?
Yeah.
Come on, use them. Use them.
Right, oh, you almost had it. Right there. Yeah, and it works every time. 3, 2, 1, wheel. Now you're in. Dancing in that candy paint, rolling down, sipping drink.
In the little fridge.
Yeah. Damn it.
All right, guys, so we've been doing a lot of stuff behind the scenes. You'll figure a lot of it out soon. But if you guys have been following me for a long time, you know almost where this started on the green truck. We did the chrome bumpers on that truck. It took us so long to do them because obviously paint doesn't stick to chrome and you really got to scuff it up and sand it down. So here's going to be round 2 of painting chrome bumpers. Also kind of Daytona crunch here. So we got 40 grit on the sander and we're just going to go to town, scuff this up. And then once we get it all scuffed, we'll go over it again with like a 300 maybe, just to smooth it out, because otherwise we're going to see a bunch of the scratches. And then we're going to use a etching primer, and then we can shoot our color and all that crap. So let's get to it. This should be fun.